we're staying in Takeni Bush and River Camp, just outside the Pafuri Gate. It's just the entrance. We're going to go down that road. We're going down there. Right, I'm Dave and this is DG Overlanding in Takeni. It's about 1.5 kilometers from the Pafuri Gate in Kruger National Park. Well, it's actually just on the outside of the Kruger National Park. Stunning campsite, private ablutions, they have chalets, they have tents. There's a swimming pool, there's a restaurant, shop, wood. No power, but there's lots of sun for solar panels. This is one of the roads that's in Nthakeni. It's just the internal road that goes between the campsites. The campsites are lovely. There's the camping area. We're in Baobab, second to last one there. Stunning campsite. All the campsites have a name and they're very nicely signposted. Right, so here's a typical campsite. And this one is on the river. Really is a stunning campsite, this one. And it's really peaceful and quiet. So there is the river from this campsite. Right, so they do have a restaurant here as well. They sell wood here as well, 25 rand a bag. Shop and swimming pool. So there's the swimming pool, look how nice and clean it is. And just on the other side is the river. This is the little shop and the lounge. Snooker table, where to sit. Curios. Right, we're staying in Baobab campsite. There's our Baobab over there. So here's Baobab. This is our campsite. You can see the tree. There's our fire pit. So I said it gets cleaned every day. No hassle with that. And the river is just down this path here. This is our ablution. And the water is safe to drink. So there's 2 showers this side. There's the toilets, 2 toilets. There's our lantern, mirror, basin, shower, shelf to put stuff on. The thing that I like is loads of hooks up here and a bench down there. So it's everything you need. And a bin. And there's the wash up. This is the wash up.
Hearing about it.
Look at this little one's going to sprout there.
They're all over. I saw them at the Fury.
And this one here?
Same thing.
Yeah, but I mean, it's amazing.
2 toilets.
In this stem. But I say
DG Overlanding of Nthakeni. It's just outside of Pafuri Gate, Kruger National Park. Super campsite. If you coming this way, you must stop here. It's really nice. One of my favorite, I think. Fantastic. Please subscribe to our channel so we can do more of these. And thank you very much. Enjoy. Forest Camp to the left. Residents only. Some corners are quite sharp with the trailer, be careful. It's very steep. Have to have a 4-wheel drive. There's our car, there's our campsite. Just got to get there. Here we are, Forest Camp on the right. Hi, I'm Dave and this is DG Overlanding. So Forest Camp is in the Kloof area in Limpopo province. Please subscribe to our channel. That's DG Overlanding. And I hope you enjoy our video. Thank you. So Forest Camp is where we are camping. Kloof. This is the entrance into the forest campsite. We've got 2 camping trailers at the moment. My brother's here with us. They've got an invader and we've got our camping trailer. Alright, they have ground sheets down on the floor. Forest camp. It's quite level and there's grass. So we have our own private swimming pool. It's a bit cool to swim now, but it's nice and clean. And there's a deck with a table. And this is the private ablution area. There's a kitchen in here, there's a table, sink, hot and cold water, gas geyser, electric geyser and solar geyser. There's cupboards, there's 220 power. This is inside, you can put the sides down. And this side goes around to the toilet, normal flush toilet, the septic tank, the toilet's in here. There we have it. This side is the shower. Here is the shower and the sink. So there's the sink, hot and cold water. And the shower is an open air shower. So straight outside. So I'm standing in the shower now. And this is the view when you're showering. And then up this pathway is a bath. There we are. So there's the ablution taken from the bath. Forest Camp, Kloof. It's very nice. Lovely private ablutions, hot and cold water. Inside kitchen, inside fireplace, outside fireplace, decking, swimming pool. All private. DG Overlanding. Thank you. Please subscribe to our channel. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you very much.